Now I will show you two different methods to record Discord audio call. So you have to search for Video Solo screen recorder and open this website videosolo.net, and you have to download the Video Solo screen recorder installer. So once the installer successfully download, go to your file explorer, go to download folder, and here we can see the screen recorder exe file. Just install this software on your computer. Once it's successfully installed, now go ahead and launch the app, and here you have to enable system sound and microphone and go to settings and click on output settings, and here you can change output file location and go to sound, and here customize your sound settings. Now all you have to need to start your Discord call recording, click on record, and once the recording started, go to your Discord, and this app will record your Discord call. And to stop your recording, click on the stop button, and here we can see my call recording. Thanks for watching.